In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Excel in just 5 minutes. We'll start with the basics and gradually build up to the summing process, ensuring you have a strong foundation to work from. Whether you're new to Excel or just looking to polish up your skills, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. To begin, you'll need to have access to Microsoft Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, no worries. You can easily use the free version of Microsoft Excel online. Simply head over to the free Microsoft 365 online website, where you can find Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free. This is perfect for those who need to access Excel without the commitment of purchasing software. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign into your Microsoft account. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. This process is straightforward and free. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set up in no time. After you've signed in, it's time to get down to business. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll use a demo file. This makes it easier to follow along without the need to create a new file from scratch. You can find the demo file conveniently located on the website. Just click on the provided link to access it. Now that we have our demo file open and ready, let's focus on the key feature of this tutorial: summing a column in Excel. Look for the auto sum function, which is easily found in the Home ribbon of Excel. The Home ribbon is essentially a toolbar at the top of your Excel window that provides quick access to commonly used functions and features, including the auto sum tool. The auto sum feature is a quick and efficient way to sum up columns or rows without having to type in formulas manually. To use it, simply click on the cell where you want the sum to appear. This should ideally be the cell directly below the column of numbers you wish to add together. Once you've selected the correct cell, click on the Auto Sum button in the Home ribbon. Excel will automatically detect the range of cells it believes you want to sum. If the selection looks correct, press Enter. Voila, the sum of the column will magically appear in the selected cell. It's important to note that while Auto Sum is incredibly convenient, it might not always select the correct range of cells you intended to sum, especially if there are empty cells in your column. Always double check the chosen range before pressing Enter. You can manually adjust the range by clicking and dragging over the correct cells if necessary. Additionally, mastering the auto sum feature isn't just handy for summing columns. It can also be used to quickly sum rows or a combination of both. The versatility and time-saving aspect of AutoSum truly make it a feature worth getting to know. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide on how to sum a column in Excel using the AutoSum function. It's a fundamental skill that's incredibly useful for a wide range of Excel tasks, from managing household budgets to analysing business financial statements. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with different Excel files and datasets to become more comfortable with summing columns and using other functions within Excel. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become at navigating and utilising Excel's array of features to their full potential. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and you'll find that Excel's capabilities are vast and can significantly aid in your personal and professional projects.